Hey everyone, welcome to week 7. This is my last overview video that I will be making for you, and it is our last week of our summer session together, which I have enjoyed so much. I've just enjoyed getting to know all of you. So let's get started. What's going to happen this week? Well, I hope that you have already taken a look at your course schedule for the week. This is it. It is summer after really Thursday at 8 a.m. So let's go through the week and see what we've got going. All right, on Monday, I'm going to just go over what we're going to do in class when we're on Zoom together. We're going to be talking about this cartoon. We are going to be going over your poverty packet. I'm going to be answering questions for your final exam, which is your test on inference. So you already have that practice test from last week, and I will be going over all of your questions. We will also be finishing up with a final discussion on the Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian. I have enjoyed reading your posts, and I am excited to see what you have to say about that. And then you have one assignment that you have to do before Tuesday, and that is this essay called The Jacket, which you are going to be annotating for inference and figurative language. So that is your Monday task. Tuesday, you have one task as well. You're going to be doing your very last responsive reading, and that is going to be about Malcolm X. This is an excerpt from his autobiography. So you'll be reading about him, and you'll be doing your last responsive reading assignment that will be due on Wednesday morning. Then on Wednesday, you have the test. So the test for test 4 will be opened up on Wednesday. You'll have access to it. You'll have 2 hours to complete this test, just like we've been doing. And you need to have that posted, done, because on Thursday at 8 a.m. this test closes. So your semester is done at 8 a.m. on Thursday morning, if not before that. So that is your week, and then this is our Friday, which is just plain old summer. Read a book for fun. If you want me to talk to you about what kind of books that are out there that I think you might enjoy, oh my goodness, I would love to have that conversation with you. Just remember that reading for yourself is really different than reading for a class, and I would love it if you would choose a book that interests you and try just reading for fun. I know that you'll have to get over that hump of the wiggles, right? You have to figure out how to get away from your phone, get away from your computer, get away from people for a minute so you can actually focus on the book, just like you've practiced doing all this summer session. But then if it's a book that you just have to read and there's no response that you have to do, you might want to do. I don't know. Maybe you want to copy a few quotes that are beautiful. Maybe you have a journal that you'd like to talk about what you're reading. I don't know. Maybe. I do that. I write in my notebook, and I write about the books that are making me think. Sometimes I just read a book and I don't have any kind of thinking that goes with it. I just read it for fun, just like you'd watch a movie. So please, if you have interest in doing that and you need some help, just email me and we can even Zoom and talk about it. I would love to help you with that. But I really hope you have a wonderful rest of your summer. I know that it's kind of shortened. I do want to tell you that there is some sort of scholarship that if you register for your fall classes before a certain date, you get some sort of automatic scholarship just because you've done your registration early. And I will figure out what that is, and somebody just remember to ask me about that, and then I will post it. Okay, so have a wonderful summer. I will see you in our class on Monday, and we will finish up our week together and our summer class together. I've just appreciated all the hard work that you guys have done. I hope that you've learned things and that this class was worthwhile for you. And I'll see you on Monday morning.